Welcome back, Hornets. It's a beautiful Thursday here at VCHS. We're your hosts, Logan.
And I'm Jalen. Let's start out with today's lunch. Saddle up for cowboy catavini, tossed salad, garlic bread, steamed corn, fruit cocktail, and as always, a cold milk.
Now let's jump into today's celebrations with these holidays.
And now a rundown of your top 5 news stories.
Hello, I am Wyatt Clark, and here are today's top 5 news stories. Scientists have discovered a new plant-eating dinosaur species measuring 39 feet long. FIFA selling 2026 World Cup tickets for $60 each. Exploration place installing 20-foot tall bison to climb inside. Elon Musk on track to become the world's first trillionaire. 102-year-old becomes the oldest person to climb Mount Fuji.
Next, here's today's word and quote of the day.
Juncture. A particular point in events or time.
The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. Walt Disney.
With all the ups and downs in the weather, take a look at how our Hornets are navigating the changes with their fits.
My name's Harrison West. This is the fit, obviously. Blank white tee, the sweats, but best of all, the shoes. The Travis Scotts. I ain't saying how much they worth, because it's embarrassing.
My name's Jack Clark, and this is my fit.
Hi, my name is Mr. Jackson, and this is my fit. And this is a cardigan. And this is a cardigan.
With all the recent home tennis meets, let's hear from the girls to see how they feel the season is going.
Good morning, Hornets. Today I'm with the Valley Center girls tennis team, and I'm asking them what their favorite part about girls tennis is.
My name is Natalie, and my favorite thing about tennis is going to meet and listening to DJ BK.
I'm Brianna Clausen, and my favorite part of tennis is the van rides to competitions.
My name is Bailey Freeman, and my favorite part of tennis is watching myself and my teammates get better.
My name is Elena, and my favorite part about tennis is whooping everybody.
Hi, I'm Ava Baldwin. My favorite part about tennis is the van ride jams on the way to meets.
With the clouds and rain lingering, let's take a look at today's weather.
Hello, my name is Tim, and here's today's weather. Today we will have a high of 75 degrees with partly cloudy in the morning and isolated thunderstorms in the afternoon. Tonight's low will be 60 degrees with scattered thunderstorms overnight.
Now it's time for a quick blast in the past. We'll leave you with this day in history. Stay classy, VC.